Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 38. Hope you all are fine and safe. So in the last class we have discussed about some extended activity of the chapter 9, hello mic testing, and we have done an activity of finding out more effects in Audacity software. So I hope you understood these all things. We have tested the effects like fade in, fade out, then pitch, changing the pitch, changing the speed, and also we have tested amplification. And the extended activity which we have done is to import one audio file and to cut some portions of that file and to export it as MP3. So these all things we have done. So today I already explained the chapter 10, my computer. We have completed that chapter. So I told in the last class Google Meet, I told that some portions, that is some practical portions was there. So I will be explaining that in a video. So today I am going to explain that 3 portions which is like some activities are there in that chapter. So that activities I am going to explain today. So the first activity is beautification of the desktop. Okay. In the textbook you can see. Let me check. Yes. Here these all portions we have completed. That means about the history of the computer, and we have discussed about the different types of computer like desktop, laptop and personal computer, and we have discussed types of the data that the computer will accept, and we have discussed about the various input and output devices, their uses. I have given a homework, an assignment for preparing the short notes on input bar output devices, and we have discussed about the touch screen and touchpad. Then we have discussed about what is a software, and discussed about operating systems, free operating systems, and free softwares and proprietary softwares. And then there is, you can see a topic like beautification of the desktop, how we can change the background screen of the desktop. So I will be going to do that. So you all will be knowing that this is the default screen of the Ubuntu. So here I am going to change the background. Okay, how I can change the background, that you can see. So this I will arrange it very neatly. Yes. So this is my desktop screen. I am going to change the wallpaper. How I can change? Just right click here. You will be getting the option change background. Click on the option change background. So you can see a window like this. From here you have to choose change background option, and from here you will be getting different wallpapers. You can see pictures is not there. Wallpapers which is already set in the system, that you can see. You can select any of the wallpaper. Now the current wallpaper is this. You can select any of the wallpaper and you can set. So I will be taking any other wallpaper. Let's see what is beautiful. Yes, I will set this wallpaper. Click on the option select, so that you can see the wallpaper change to this. Okay, in this way you can change the wallpaper. So how, once more I will be showing. Right click on the option change background, and from this background you can choose any of the wallpapers. If you want to change any other wallpaper, like I'll be selecting this. When we click on select, you will be getting the wallpaper changed like this. Okay, in this way we can change the wallpaper. But now I am going back to normal. This wallpaper I don't like. Actually this wallpaper I didn't like, so I'll be changing any other. Yes, I will be selecting this. Okay. Okay, so in this way we can change the wallpaper of the screen, of our system screen. Okay, so that is the topic which we have discussed in the beautification of the desktop. In this way we can beautify our desktop. These are the steps that you have to go through. Okay, they have given here by clicking on the pictures tab. but here actually there is no any pictures in our that means in our in my pictures folder there is no any pictures. If there is pictures we can include that, but I already showed that, right? In the change background option, when you click on the background there is an option for pictures, but actually there is no any pictures. You can add images to your pictures folder and they will show up here. They are saying that from in the pictures folder if you add any pictures it will show up here, but as there is no any pictures in my pictures folder, only one screenshot is here, there is no any other pictures folder, that is why it is not showing. Okay, so in this way if you want to download any of the picture from the internet, you can download it and you can save it in the pictures folder so that it will be displaying here. Okay, so that is one of the setting. And another one is folder to store files. I already told this is the title bar. This is the application. From this applications you will be getting different softwares like this. We will be getting different softwares. So all the softwares which you have studied here in 8th standard we are taking from the option application. Next is of places. Inside the places you can see the systems folder. Home folder is the folder where you can see the users files, that means documents folder you can see, downloads folder you can see, this is Gplates project, pictures, these all are the folders which I have created. These all are some videos. So this is in the home folder you can see the users created things you can see in the home folder. So this is the desktop. You can see what all are there in the desktop. When you click on the documents, if you saved any documents here, that you can see over here. In the downloads you can see the things which you have downloaded, and in music if you have downloaded any music, that you can see here. In pictures folder you can see the pictures. In videos folder you can see the videos, and in the trash folder, that means the thing which you have deleted. In the Windows it is the name is recycle bin, but here it is for moved to this trash. Here instead of recycle bin we will be telling the trash. So inside the trash, that which I have deleted, it goes here in the trash. After 30 days it will be automatically get removed. And next one is of this here. Already in my system there is one pen drive is showing. I have connected one pen drive that is showing here. And this is about the file systems. This is about the file systems. Okay, what all are the files in the system it is showing, and other locations. Okay, so these all are coming under the home folder. So these all are coming in inside this home folder. So I hope you understood these all things. So this is about the different types of folders. This you can see, this is the Wi-Fi connection. As this you can see one software symbol. As I am recording this video by using the software OBS, that is why it is showing the symbol of the OBS. And this is a language settings. This is a Bluetooth. This is for the calendar, you can see, and mail. This is of the battery, and this is for speaker. When we speak, not speaker, this is for the sound system. When you click on this, you can see we'll be getting, now the sound system is off. Okay, sound settings, you will be getting the input volume and the output volume over here. Okay, like this we can increase the output volume. And next one is the time, and here you can see the system settings, like about the computer, system settings, locking, logout, restart, like this you can see. Okay, so these all are the things that you have to know about the Ubuntu. And next is about finding the path of the file. Suppose this is the file which I have in the home folder. Suppose this is the file. The file name is, I will be taking one file. Yeah, I will be taking this video itself, this 8th standard 29th video number I am taking. If I want to know the path of this file, where the file is placed, that is the path. If I want to know the path of the file, right click over here, you can see the option properties. In the properties window you can see the path of the file. See, this is the path. Inside the home user, you can see the path. This is the and you can see the details of this particular file also you can see. Okay, so that is the finding the path of the file. And in downloads, if I have downloaded anything, if I want to know the path of that file, if I will be finding this path, click on the properties. Here you can see home user download. So this is the path of that file. Next is of renaming a folder. If you want to rename a folder, that is also possible. So here if I'm going to rename this folder as another one, just right click over here, there is you can see here rename. Like this you can rename the folder. If I want to give gplates project 1, I can rename like this. Okay, this is of renaming the folder. Next they are saying about the system settings. When you click here, the system settings which I have already discussed. Here you can see the region and language. From regional language I can add any of the other languages, and you click on the plus button. Here when you click on more languages, you can see and you can search the required language. Okay, so this much is the practical lab, the activities that you can see here in this chapter. So I hope you understood these all things. So what all things we have studied: how to set wallpapers, how to find the path of the file, how to rename a folder, and we have discussed about the system settings. So this much only we will be discussing today. So with this much our chapter also completed. Okay, so next we will be doing the revisions. So if you have any doubt, you must ask me in the coming class and the Google Meet. Okay, see, this is the Windows for changing desktop background. I showed the home folder, documents, pictures, and the folder that I have shown. Here I already told, if I am saving the file without giving any location, automatically the file will be saved here in the home folder or in documents or pictures. So that also I will be showing. So if I am going to save one file, okay, suppose I have opened some report here in LibreOffice Writer. I am opening this LibreOffice Writer. I am writing here, I am Babitha, and this I am going to save. Okay, I am going to save this. Just I will be writing the report and I am going to save this. Okay, I didn't give any location, but the file is saved. I didn't specify any location, so instead of specifying the location, just normally I have saved that. But what happened, the file will be saved either in home folder or documents folder or pictures folder. So let's check where it is saved. Okay, so first we will be checking in the home folder. In home folder we will be checking it is saved or not. I have saved like report, so it is not saved here. When I will be go to the documents folder, yeah, you can see here inside the document folder it is saved. I didn't give any specific location, but if we didn't give any specific location, still the file will be saving either in home folder, documents folder, or the pictures folder. Now it is saved here. This is the report which I have saved. Okay, so I will be closing these all things. So I hope you understood these all things, so we can discuss it in the Google Meet. We will be doing the revision. Okay, so those are having computer, practice the activity. See you in the next class. Thank you.